Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open reminders and create a focus list. This gives structure and sync across devices. Once done, name the list clearly so you won't hunt for it later. Make a habit of setting a color and icon for fast visual scanning. This reduces friction. Now add 3 example reminders using the new reminder field, pressing return after each entry so they're separate. This first step sets up organization and prepares you for smarter scheduling and tagging in the next phase. You now turn plain items into actionable tasks by scheduling and adding detail. Click the info button to pick a date and time, enable repeat rules, and assign priority. This ensures reminders will alert you when needed. Once scheduled, break larger tasks into subtasks by dragging items under a parent. This clarifies progress steps. Also, add flags, tags, and concise notes to capture context. Tags let you filter later, and notes keep important specifics without cluttering the main title. You complete setup by creating smart lists that automatically gather relevant reminders based on tags, dates, or priorities. This keeps your dashboard focused without manual sorting. Once done, share a list when collaborating and choose edit or view permissions so everyone stays aligned. To finish cleanly, review notifications and today view placement to ensure alerts appear. If reminders fail to sync, try force quitting the app, signing out and back into your Apple ID, or toggling reminders off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.